G'day guys, what's going on? So today we're going to do the stretchy belt conversion. Yeah, it's up the right way. So that's the belt you need. So basically gonna loosen off this tensioner to remove this belt. Then you're going to pull off the AC belt, which is down in there, and then remove the bottom tensioner, which I'll try and give you a closer look at with the light. And there she is right there. So I'm going to basically pull that tensioner off, and you can see the belt's already come off because of the horsepower. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to pull that out. Tensioner off. And there's the old tensioner. So now we just stretch that belt around. Alright, so to take the pressure off this tensioner, just move it forward and then the belt comes straight off. I've already fed the other belt in behind it. Pretty simple. So the old tensioner's off, and you can see the belt. You've got to feed it around the crank, obviously, which is right there, and then try and feed it as much as you can around this pulley right here, which is your AC, and then you're gonna crank the key and it should feed it on. All right, you can clearly see that the new belt is on the crank pulley and on the AC pulley. So the reason why we do this mod is because the stock tensioner can't handle the extra torque from the upgrade horsepower. So this is how you're going to basically get rid of the issue of throwing AC belts. So there you go, guys. All right, guys, so that's the stretchy belt mod. That's the belt you need, and it is pretty simple. Just make sure you feed the belt on properly, because if the ribs are coming off, it'll just spit the belt off once you start the vehicle. But stretchy belt mod.
She sees him walking in a straight line.